Filming? I'm not even doing anything interesting.
Chev's got epic wood.
I'm just trying to sculpt my guns, okay?
Okay? No one's allowed to speak it.
Wait, what are we not speaking about?
I told Joseph he could have it because everybody was like,
Probably shouldn't talk about that. Well, you see,
Chev,
when I was a young boy,
wood?
traveled through the forest. Don't point that at me. When I was there, when I was in the forest, I saw the woodland creatures.
Brandon, have a cookie.
And they spoke to me. Not in a language I could understand.
Stuck to my thumb, I'm sorry.
But I knew one day, if I spent enough time in the forest, I would learn to speak the language of the animals.
Yeah, what?
You know,
Why didn't you
I thought eventually that if I kept speaking with the animals, I would learn to talk back. And then over time, I learned what they said to me. And I learned that they loved man, except for the destruction mankind had caused. And it just makes me weep at night. It makes me weep to think what man has done to the forest. So I reverted to a tree person. A tree person so I could help save nature. So I could help save the nature that I love. So I could prevent beautiful wood from being destroyed. And I needed to help it so much. I needed to feel the smoothness of the birch. And I needed to feel the roughness of the evergreen. And I just needed to know. I needed to know what it felt like to be a tree. And I needed to drink the maple syrup that floweth forth. I needed it. So I became a tree person. And now my veins run with the sweetness of the syrup. With the sweet sap that oozes all over. It is delicious. I love it. I love being a tree person. And I love being with the trees.
I am king of the trees, and I am here to give my royal speech today.
Can I call you?
Come to my
Can I call him
lands.
Ent?
You have burned down my lands and my kinsmen, the tree people. Chopped off their arms.
That's why we
You
can't be
have
friends.
chopped off their legs, their trunks, and their necks. And you have thrown them mercilessly into the fire. We will not tolerate this anymore. We will rise to wrath with our branches of fury, our might that comes from the wood. You will face our woody might, and you will bow down before our bows.
You ain't got no pancake mix.
At mealtime, we about to get drunk off pancakes. It's kindling. I am upset with this. I am not happy with this.
Oh my god. He's morphed into a human.
Oh, there's Chevy.
To the word of all evil, huh? Get it?
Teabag.
Worst idea ever.